I'm going to have 1 hour. I'm at Dick's Lodge Resort. I'm going to have 1 hour to finish the Dick's Big Meat Challenge. There's 2 large steaks, a 12-inch hot dog, 1 macho nacho appetizer, house salad, a double portion of mashed potatoes, and a double portion of broccoli. 1 hour to finish it, or it's going to be $80. What am I going to do? First time for everything.
Now for winning, you get this massive $80 meal for free, a free t-shirt, and a certificate that shows that you've completed the challenge. With the last few bites, Dick's Big Meat Challenge has been conquered. Finished in 25 minutes and 9 seconds. First person in Daytona Beach, Florida to complete this challenge. Hopefully we can get more of you guys out here and try it for yourself. Oh, and also your picture in the Wall of Fame and on the social media. So go add yourself to that Wall of Fame and join me up on the wall.